started by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and at the moment we're just conducting interviews with a few of our traders just to find out a bit more about their journey into trading and how they got started. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and then explain how you got started in trading and how you got interested.
Okay. Well, I'm a mechanical engineer. I work in oil and gas sector. But from last year during COVID, when we started working from home, then I thought of like checking about forex trading. So I went into the detail and I found it very interesting. It's the largest security market in the world. And since last 6 to 7 months, I'm working. I'm working with forex trading in a more detailed way, and I'm studying, learning, and I think this is a very good way of making money. So people can think of a full-time career also with the forex trading.
Great. So, how did you learn how to trade? Did you teach yourself, or did you have a mentor, or any previous education in trading?
No, not really. When I started, like as I mentioned last year, when I went in more detail about forex trading, so I checked myself. Like I learned from YouTube videos. I whenever I find something, some tough, like words about forex trading, I go to Google. I check in YouTube. So slowly, I have developed my knowledge, and I'm still learning. But I think this is a very good career opportunity for everybody.
Great, great. That sounds great. So have
Yeah.
you faced any challenges or obstacles at all regarding trading? Like I know a few people maybe haven't got their strategy sorted out first and then they blow an account or just something has came up. So did you have any challenges with your trading and how did you manage to come out on top after them?
Yes. I blew up several accounts before. I just deposited few amount like $100 or $200 and checked what it is actually. And without knowing if I do something, definitely it will be a problem. And this is what has happened initially with me. I didn't have any knowledge, and then slowly, I started learning and I started going through many videos, YouTube videos, etc. And then initially I used to trade with a high lot size. Then I reduced that one. Then I check the timing when the UK market opens, when US market opens, what is the overlap between UK market and US market. Basically, these are the timing that the volatility is more. So then I started learning about this economic calendar, about the fundamentals, the interest rate decision of how currency is being decisions, bank decisions. So that way, I went to more detail into the. I mean, now I have done all the R&Ds actually initially when I learned amount, and then slowly, I'm getting better and better day by day.
Great, that sounds amazing. It sounds like you're learning a lot and really putting the effort in to be a good trader, which is always great to see. So that's great. So you're on a data program, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. So how has that been for you so far? Are you enjoying it, or how's your progress been? Any feedback at all?
Yeah, I mean, AudaCity Capital, I would say this is, one of companies and in the funded programs for forex. I really like the way you are very quick on the customer service perspective, and whatever arrangement is required, if you have issues, You just need to raise it, and immediately you get support from AudaCity. So it's been very good for me. The journey has been very good for me with AudaCity. I started with this initial 15,000 account. I'm a little bit on the minus at this moment, but it's okay. Within 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be covering everything, and hope I can have a long journey with AudaCity.
Great, that sounds amazing. And I wouldn't worry about being in the minus. Sometimes you need to go into the minus to come back in the positive. So I'm sure you will reach your target in no time. And I'm glad you're enjoying it so far. And I'm glad our support team and customer service has been great too. So my last question is a bit of a tricky one, and I ask it to all of the people that I interview. And it is, what is the best advice you can give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? So this might be something that you might have heard that really changed the way you traded or really helped how you traded. Anything that you'd like to share?
Uh, Sorry, if you don't mind, can you ask the question again, because I didn't.
Yeah, of course. It's just, what is the best advice you can give to someone who's just starting their trading journey?
Okay. Yeah, I think the best advice will be to see the market news, to see the economic calendar, to understand what is happening in the market. If we are doing, suppose, Euro USD, then what's going on in Europe, what's going on in USD? Is there any major events in the economic calendar in these countries? So we need to first check everything before we, put the trade, we start the trading. So whichever currency pair we consider or we take, before at least 20 to 25 minutes of study is very much important, and that really helps.
Great. I think that is some great advice, and hopefully the people that are watching will take that on board. So that's great. And I think that's everything for me today. So thank you so much for this interview. It's been lovely hearing your journey, and I'm glad you're having a good time on our funded trader program as well. And hopefully we can have a catch up again whenever you hit your target, which I'm sure won't be too long now.
Thank you, Leah. Thank you for
Great.
your
Thank
time.
you so much and have a great day.
Thank
Thank you.
thank
See ya.
you.